Water sports. Going on my jet ski now. Jet skiing. Oh yeah, my first time on jet ski. Let's try that, you know. Jet ski, jet ski, jet ski. No. So. What's going on here?
Hello.
You alright, brother?
Yeah, right.
Okay, brother, you use a life jacket first.
What's up in there? What are you doing there?
For this one,
You got Polly?
he grew from Java. He want to go a lot of activities.
Okay.
Kamu kok pakai buka kerudung kemarin juga usah pakai 6 dewasa.
Ada cantik-cantik.
What do you do that?
I'm helping.
Saya soalnya saya salah ngasih tahu.
Jet ski thing.
Tujuh dewasa.
Maring-maring.
Saya pikir. Oh iya saya infoin dulu ya Bang Risa ya, soalnya ini apa namanya, kalau 3 tahun kan dihitungnya belum dihitung itu sebenarnya. Iya, tungguin dulu ya. Ya ini. Pak Yan, minta
Where you going now?
Di
foto katanya untuk pas lagi di jet ski.
Oh, nggih, mali bos.
Niki jet ski ya?
Makin. Brother, come.
Jet ski, you know. Bisa di jet ski, see.
Jet ski biasa pakai Instagram ya.
Jet ski kan?
Jet ski aja, jet ski. Dua sama istri. Dua. Oke. Masuk foto masuk. Oke.
Yeah, go
Which
fast.
Go fast. No fast. Boy, it's hot. Bloody sun is hot, man. Whoa. Damn.
Where are you from?
I'm from Jamaica, living in England. Jamaican living in England. Yeah. This is the one.
Oke, sudah. Ini dua. Iya, jet ski satu ini. Oh, foto lagi foto.
Can I go here?
Yes, please.
Can you just take a photo of me?
Yeah.
Just one.
Ntar dulu ambil gambar dulu. Yes, please. Dan move ya. Hi, ladies. Dan oke.
Are you ready?
Please, you gonna
That's me. Oh, my pants will get wet. Bloody hell. Pants will get wet. Look at my pants here.
Take off. Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Okay, man.
That's good.
My pants get wet, yo. Bloody hell.
I hold it.
Jet ski. Oh, yeah.
Kailangan just me. And I'm
It's
okay.
done.
It's okay now. It's okay now. Yes.
Press that.
Mana ni boleh main?
Mana aja.
Oh, mana dia?
Ya,
I thought I was gonna do that.
like this is right. Apa dah ini right ya?
Okay. Okay. But first time doing this shit, you know? Yeah. The first time, never done before. Gas, eh? Yeah. Gas, okay. wave or what?
Yeah.
The wave? The wave, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Wave in it. Yeah? Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay, get her from back.
Yeah.
Okay. Jesus. Thank you. Fucking hell. That was an experience, that. Fuck's sake. Woo. That is one fucking experience, that. Yes, bro. They're going to see you, yeah? Thank you. Thank you. Woo. Yeah. That is it. That is that. Woo! That is that. Damn. You're welcome, boss. Yeah. That was a fucking experience. It's my first time on fucking jet ski. Jesus Christ. That was nice. Damn. On to the next adventure now. Yeah. Would that be praise? Alright, for the next.
You want to wash your foot, you have to tap that pipe.
The top, yeah?
Yeah, use the tap that pipe.
Okay.
You can see that.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sorry. I wash my feet now. Yeah, and to the next one. Behind the wall. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Oh, brother.
Good experience, that, yeah? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Next stop. Where's the next stop?
Blasti Beach.
Beach again, yeah?
Blasti.
Beach.
Beautiful beach, Blasti.
Okay. Let's
Thank
go.
you, brother. Enjoy it.
Let's go.
See you next time.
See you again. Right, so we're going to the beach, so see you at the beach, yeah? Thank you, bam.